That I had explained you, that was the explanation of the chapter. Now you will see the exercises given in the book on page number 7. You see the first exercise, that is answer the following question. I have prepared separately. This is your second exercise. State whether the following statements are true or false. You have to write if it is true you will write T, or if it is false you will write false. And these exercises you will fill only in your books, not in notebook. First true and false statements is, all religion emphasis on the belief in one supreme God, our creator. It is true. Number 2, Birbal was not ready to accept the arguments of Akbar unless he proved it. False. The servant called the cloth wrapped around Birbal's head as a shawl. It is also false. In all religions, God is known by one name. It is also false. Fifth one is, the name of an article changes according to its place and application. This is true. Now come to the third exercise, that is the fill in the blanks with the correct word. So first one is, all religions emphasis on the dash in the supreme power. So your blank will be belief. I have written already. Second one is, God is one. It is we who call him by dash names. In dash we will write different names. Number 3, the name of an article changes according to its dash and dash. The name of an article changes according to its place and application. Number 4, there are many names of God and different names are attached to different dash ideas about God's identity and dash. So your statement will be, there are many names of God and different names are attached to different cultural ideas about God's identity and attributes. Fifth one is, the essence of all religion is to develop good dash who follow God's chosen path. Statement is, the essence of all religion is to develop good human heart who follow God's chosen path. These were your exercises and you will fill this in book itself. You will not write these exercises in the notebook. Pause. As I have given you already this all the exercises, students, in the book itself, these were reference to the context 2 I have taken, and all the question and answer. You have to write all these work in notebook. So first reference, you all know what is reference to the context. I have taken one statement or one sentence from the inside the chapter, and on the basis of that I have given 3 questions along with their answers. So your statement is, last night I was thinking about something serious. Everyone says that God is one. This is your statement or your sentence. On the basis of this, I have taken out 3-4 questions along with their answers. And first question is, from where is this extract taken? Answer is, this extract is taken from the chapter The Cloth Story. Second question, who said this? Answer is, Akbar the great Mughal ruler said this. Third question, to whom he asked this question? Answer is, he asked this question from Birbal, his vice minister. Answer is, he asked this question from Birbal, his vice minister. Next question is, what did he say to Birbal? Answer is, he said to Birbal that everyone says God is one. Your second extract is, the name of an article changes according to its place and application. This is your statement or your sentence from which I have taken out the question along with their answers. First one is, from where is this extract taken? Answer is that this extract is taken from the chapter The Cloth Story. Second question, who is the narrator? Answer, Birbal, the vice minister of Akbar's court, is the narrator. Next question, how did he prove that God is one? Birbal proved by giving the example of a piece of cloth, that how the different people called it by different names. Next is, was the king satisfied with his demonstration and answer? Answer is, yes, the king was totally satisfied with his job. These were the extract based questions, and here are the answer the following question I have written already. When you will get the video, I will upload these question and answers after the video. So this is, I'm going to conclude my chapter. Thank you class. Have a nice day.